Hey! Find your light. 1, 2, 3. Yan.
I don't have a light.
Yan. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Walang filter.
Welcome to B Hotel or Baldovino Hotel in Panglao. Welcome back to my channel. This is Meldy Baldovino Vlogs and we're having a night swimming here at Bellevue Hotel in Panglao. Actually guys, sobrang ginaw. Sasamahan nyo kami. Umuulan dahil. This is the hotel where we are staying right now here in Panglao. Yeah, this is the lobby. This is the hotel lobby. Sobrang daming foreigners dito. Considering na this is a 5-star hotel. So, I am sure ito yung pinipili ng mga foreigners. Foreign guests. This is the front. Welcome to B Hotel or Baldovino Hotel in Panglao. Going inside right now, guys. It's tomorrow we're leaving. That's the reason why I'm filming right now. This is the way going up. There you go. There's a modern Filipino restaurant also here. Lamian. It's going down to swim. We just arrived in the hotel and this is our room number 334. Let's go inside, guys. Kati! And let's go inside, guys. Welcome to our room. I'm with Miss Kati from Ireland.
Why?
And Dubai. Roommate kami. This is the room. Wow, big room. Say hi to Pe. Hi. Hi to my vlog. Well, very big, no, Kati, because this is a 5-star. One of the 5-star hotel in Bohol, not Cebu, not Pawai. Ganda. Ganda, Kat.
Yeah. No.
Tingnan natin ang CR.
May bathtub.
Ang nakakamatay na bathtub. And the CR. This is my first time in Bohol. Ayan. Travel as you can. This is a room tour.
Rotate the door.
Welcome. Cake. going to the swimming pool now. Oh, it's raining. Why? No. Bibideo ko lang yung place. Okay lang. Oh, ikaw na. Yan si Wok. Ito yung... Uy, baka may ano dito. May kutita. Maliwanag, no? Going to the swimming pool now. Aray ko.
Total, panglaw naman talaga yung daan mo. Diba ka ate? Oo, panglaw naman sa airport. So, babalik Victoria pa.
Guys, enjoying Panglao during Christmas season. So, where's the dinner, my friends? Saan tayo magdi-dinner? Sir? May meeting po ba kayo, sir? Sir, dadaan po ako. Ayan, guys. There's a dinner here. Dinner is served in this area. This area is 4 feet. Are you enjoying the... Asan na yung magkapatid? Kapatid. Okay. Yeah. Oh, kuya, I'm back. I'm back to yung damit ko. Di pa kami nag-aanayan. Food here. What's this? Oh, foodie. And there's the second floor. Nice place. Or they are the lifeguard. Say hello to my vlog. Hello. Yeah. Dagang salamat. Dagang salamat. Ikot lang ako. Siyempre, bawal. Thank you. Dalawa, oh. That is blueberry. Chip lang. Chip lang. There's a blueberry. This is Maria. hotel itself. Nightlife, night swimming and nightlife at Bellevue Hotel. Bellevue. For the breakfast. So I'm done. I'm done with the swimming and I'm going to feed the fish right now. And as I mentioned, I'm going to the restaurant now for dinner after after I make ikot-ikot because I don't want to take a bath because it's so ginaw. So habang sinusulit namin ang pagtira dito sa hotel, so lahat ng activities na pwedeng gawin, gagawin namin tonight and tomorrow kasi mag-check out na. So meantime, gigimik kami, lalabas kami ng hotel, lalabas kami ng area na to para gumimik sa Panglao. Gimik-gimik din pag may time. Today